Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung reveals the Galaxy Z Fold 8 official teaser. Samsung started teasing its next-generation foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 8. While the company hasn't officially announced the launch date, it may have accidentally revealed it through promotional materials. Official new details emerged. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The South Korean tech giant Samsung drops its first official Galaxy Z Fold 8 teasers. New shape, new joy, teasing in new way of foldable. There are a few days to go. Samsung is teasing its train of Galaxy Z Fold 8 teasers, with a new series of social posts that also purged nearly the company's entire Instagram account. This evening, Samsung has deleted nearly its entire Instagram account, Samsung Mobile, and Samsung Mobile USA, with just 6 posts left behind. Those posts spell out the teaser, new shape, new joy, referring to the short and stout, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 wide form factor. If you didn't know about the Fold 8's redesign, these posts would be fairly cryptic, but they all just show Samsung cutting off the top of the Galaxy Z Fold 7's shape, leaving behind the Fold 8's new form factor. Earlier today, leaks showed that a new form factor right alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, which confusingly sticks with the old design. Galaxy Z Fold 8 comparison shot shows a massive height difference between phones. There's no explicit mention of Galaxy Z Fold 8 in those 3 official teasers. But Samsung teases a sweet new shape that cuts to what matters and feels just right. 2 others tease a whole new slice and a sweet reveal. There's only one post that really tells anyone what's going on. Bold stroke, new shape. There Samsung shows a palette of purple, pink and golden hues, all rumored to appear in one way or another on Galaxy Z Fold 8, before cutting to what we've already seen as a Galaxy Z Fold 8 wallpaper, with the 8 on full display. It's certainly different from past years, where Samsung would just drop an unpacked teaser, but that's a bit exciting, isn't it? There's no hint at when the new device drops, but previous leaks suggest that the new Galaxy Z Fold 8 foldables will launch on July 22nd. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.